Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm really excited to present to you the unboxing of my RAMs that I've ordered from Amazon. This is for my up and coming PC that I'm building, which I'll be exhibiting here as well and going through the build process. So subscribe so you don't miss out when I release that, and also you'll be supporting my channel as well. Now this is from Amazon, so I've ordered a few things. This is also for you guys to see what it looks like from Amazon. Their service is pretty good, like came from all the way from Melbourne. Within like 3 hours it was delivered. So there's the paperwork in here. I'll get the paperwork out, please. Alright, so that's what we've been looking forward for. Okay, so that's 32 gigs in total, 216 gig, 18 CL, and there's DDR4 at 400 megahertz. I can't wait to get my hands onto these and put them in my system. So I've been really super excited to do this. Okay, so that's basically it. There you go, guys. All right. Now let's open this up. There's a nice little seal here to show that it's brand new. Okay, seal has been broken, no longer brand new. Okay, opening it up. Not much to see here. There's a lifetime warranty thing, paperwork here. There's a little sticker from T-Force. There you go. All right, so there you have it. I'm not going to take both of them out. They're exactly the same. All right, look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Can't wait to get my hands on these. All right, thanks for tuning in. All right, that's the unboxing. If you guys liked it, please do give it a like, because that helps other people find the channel. I'm also on TikTok, Patreon, and Instagram and Twitter. You guys can follow me there. It'll help out a lot. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to see more of this content and to support me. All right, take good care. Bye bye.